Kurumjari, a very good evening. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on Sktv'S, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Tension flare in Laitan Pokpi Lokchao Lokon area after locals objected to construction of road leading from Gampijang to Purum Kom village by Wakan Amaibung Kuki locals. Kokomi to boycott Sangai festival unless internally displaced persons return to their homes, asserts Kokomi convener Yungkaibam Surjit Kumar Kuman. Manipur joins nation in celebrating a National Unity Day in connection with birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba appeals to all to refrain from remarks that may create unnecessary division among the people. CLP leader Okrami Bobi slams BJP, alleging it talking lies and fooling people has become trademark of BJP. Waka villages protest against a listing as potable water connected for Khetrigao constituency on the official website of Jal Jeevan Mission. And Justice Surya Kant, appointed as 53rd Chief Justice of India, will take charge on November 24th. And now the top stories. Locals of Laitan Pokpi Lokchao Loko and Meitei Khun today stormed the CRPF and BSF post located at foothills of Purum and Laitan Pokpi villages, demanding intervention against illegal construction of road along Gampijang and Purumkom village, adjacent to paddy fields of Meitei villages. Irate locals have complained that the illegal construction of road just adjacent to Meitei habitation poses risks to locals, and they allege CRPF and BSF personnel of failing to intervene against such illegal construction of road. Locals also dug out a road to disrupt supply of essentials to the posts of CRPF and BSF. Meanwhile, a team of Sagolmang police station tried to take control of the situation while expressing discontent on the villagers for disrupting the supply road for central forces. Co-convener of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi, Yungkaibam Surjit Kumar, has announced to boycott Sangai festival until internally displaced persons return to their original homes. He stated, since the violence that broke out on May 3, 2023, over 60,000 displaced persons are still struggling to survive at various relief camps across Manipur. Among them, some have committed suicides due to loss of hopes. Even after more than 2 years of displacements, families are unable to return home and continue to live in fear as sporadic incidents persist across the state. Farmers have missed harvest seasons and many have been rendered jobless, leading to growing desperation. Recalling the assurances of both the centre and the state government to make arrangements for IDPs from hotspots such as Churachandpur, More, Kangpokpi and Morbung to return home within, no signs are seen for such arrangements. Speaking to media, Yungkaibam further stated that holding a festival during such humanitarian suffering will mock the pain of the displaced families and appears eager to project a false image of normalcy through festivals.
Leiragasu Langana, Tamsana Sana Haki Wadunga, Tamuina, Tamatana Pangtukiraga, IDPC Mayumaka, the Hanjindana, National Highways of the Mayamsi, Matamatan, Prio Hendana, Sulu Sanjilusha, Sangai physical Toka Shukai, Shiki Mayamsi, only Hinking, Ifun Tamakanda, was it Lady Langana, Portmayam, the Namsula Tamakanda, Nasai Sangai Festival on the Kenamai, Usila Pusta, IDPC is the Karma Mokta Bahida, Movita Moida, Karma Mokta Badiki. ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯂꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯡꯉꯛꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ IDPꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯅꯝꯐꯨ ꯁꯥꯐꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ
Wakolon Manaba Punba WAMA today drew the attention of relevant authority to reconsider the plan to organize Manipur Sangai festival as a sign of solidarity to people who are languishing in relief camps due to violence which broke out on May 3, 2023. In a press note, WAMA informed that a meeting was held today at its office in Tera. During the meeting, which was presided by President of WAMA, Moirangthem Naukomba, it was resolved that the holding of Manipur Sangai festival at this uncertain time is unreasonable. It maintained that there is no free movement along national highways. Displaced families continue to live an uncertain life at various relief camps. WAMA further urged CSOs in the state to oppose the organization of Manipur Sangai festival in solidarity to displaced families in relief camps. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has reaffirmed the unity and diversity of India. He said unity of India is further emboldened by existence of multiple religions, languages and culture. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla was addressing the National Unity Day observance, which was held at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground today. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Thokchom Satharbretha, MLAs and officials of civil and police graced the program, which also witnessed a march past, which was performed by 13 contingents and led by Commanding Officer of 4th India Reserve Battalion IRB, Pranesh Arambam as parade commander. Speaking further in the program, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla recalled the contributions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in uniting India by integrating over 500 princely states to India. Governor Bhalla also emphasized that differences strengthened unity, while also stressing on the need to bring equal development in both hills and valley in Manipur. He also lauded the role of mothers of Manipur for their role of bringing unity and harmony and for preserving the culture and traditions of Manipur.
Next approaching is combined Manipur Rifles contingent comprising 1st MR, 2nd MR, 5th Tibadar Peter Ganglai of 3rd IRB. Next approaching is the 10th IRB contingent. The 11th IRB contingent. The 7th Police Cooperative Imphal East.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who transformed the dream of an integrated India into a living reality, weaving together more than 500 princely states into one sovereign fabric. True to his belief that manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Sardar Patel's vision continues to guide our journey towards national integration and collective progress. We are bridging the gap between the hills and valleys, not only in geography, but also in shared aspirations. Initiatives such as Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, Skill Development Programs, Manipur Organic Mission, and the Handloom and Handicraft Development Scheme are empowering our youth, supporting farmers and artisans, and promoting inclusive growth.
BJP Manipur Pradesh also observed 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel by organizing a unity march from BJP office in Nithebag to take till traffic crossing of Palace compound. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh A. Sharda, ex-Chief Minister N. Biren, Rajya Sabha MP Laisemba Sanajaoba, MLA Y. Kimchan, Govindas Konthosam, Sapam Ranjan, MLA S. Rajan, K. Bomcha and office bearers of BJP attended the Unity March. Speaking on the sidelines, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sharda remembered the contributions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for his role in integrating various princely states into India in the aftermath of independence.
Dom let's have a number aduba Bharatama aduba develop Bharatama oinana bakwana bada koinama umsin badi wakal loina na Senapati yatra sachavani na Bharati Pradhan Mantri na masige sumba numit asida Bharat ki lairiba mahum punamakta aduba unity degi mari laina na koi palon tauri Manipur su Manipur ki oina state ki lairiba sarkar ki maige da su tongan ba district singda aduba unity Degi Padjatra na chingba singasi satu na pangthole eko sumasi adumba Bharat ki toidok hindok na maming lairaba Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Bharat ko amat to oina punshin na nabakpa na bada tongan ba swatharaba jati amadi nupi singi oiba chota horaba kaya gi namakta eko tathok na la punshin na bakpa na adumba leader adugi chama yakli suba mapos ni asira eko suba palon na supangthok.
Manipur Police also observed National Unity Day in connection with the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Governor of Manipur, Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chief Secretary, DGP, top civil and police officers attended the event held at Mapal Kangjebung today. Assam Rifles Gorkha Regiment, Manipur Police, CRPF band team enthralled the audience today. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba stated that the lane of Manipur belongs equally to all communities and appeals for restraint in remarks they may create unnecessary division among the people. He made the statement during a Unity March held to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of India's first Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The event was organized under the initiative of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports in coordination with Imphal East District Administration, District Youth Affairs and Sports Office and My Bharat Imphal East District. The program was also attended by Longmai AC, MLA KH Ibomcha, Additional District Magistrate Ningthaucham Johnson, district officials and students. The Unity March began from the Imphal East DC complex and culminated at Maharaja Budhachandra College Palace compound. Speaking at the gathering, MP Sanajaoba remarked that despite unification of 560 princely states to form India by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the state is still lacking behind. However, by providing employment to youths for sustainability, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has full trust to the youths towards building a fully developed India by 2047. Reiterating that India as a nation cannot exist without Manipur, the MP appeals to everyone to preserve harmony and reject divisive ideas circulated on social media. He urged all communities to work together for peace and unity, concluding that Manipur must remain a shared homeland for all.
Masih khangaga ahalaman singdagi ekoi khangaga adigi ekoi history laino myamsin lainaraga ekoi iribak se masak munna thongasi munna thongagadi madudo lakko iribak sibodo nationalism do madu tok tokani jomna khaki laiba sibana bi khonjengda nataga emotionda sentimental sibodo di laiba koiba enoda yarawai hiram khudi makse koi state da laiba lambi khamde office company, hospital company, any other public place company, like what say, I put in the Sagi and Kanton of the Sagi. Sense of belongingness of the 21 year.
Former Chief Minister and CLP leader Okrami Bobi has accused BJP of deceiving public by making false claims and statements. Okrami Bobi said this during observance of 158th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and 41st death anniversary of Indira Gandhi at Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC office in BT Road today. MPCC President and other party leaders also attended the program. Speaking further, Okrami Bobi maintained that Ministry of Home Affairs sanctioned funds for fencing on 10-kilometer stretch of Indo-Myanmar border in 2010 to 11. However, the fencing work was interrupted by an organization called ICHAM, while insinuating that the then president of ICHAM had connection with BJP. On the other hand, Okrami Bobi also remembered former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and former Deputy Prime Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for their tremendous contributions to the nation.
In 2011 the first Ministry of Home Affairs na 10 kilometer gi sanction torpado kanano ba isam haiba organization do maduna lammange Manipur gi lammange na chingju do kuis isam du gi organization du gi president du kanano ba maju lai papuna ma na khangamne noi gi pak hai haijalaga pai haijalaga Manipur gi praja se biful taunana ba na haijun bado BJP gi ni BJP gi thabakti adune ba pak hai haijun ba che.
Local residents of Waka under Ketrigao constituency have reported failure in implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission Har Ghar Jal in Waka area. Speaking in this regard, President of Waka Youth Club, Mayang Lambam Vishma, maintained that the claim of 69 households out of total 229 households receiving water under Jal Jeevan Mission is totally incorrect. He asserted that there are only 81 households in Waka village, and the claim on official website regarding water connection to 69 houses has come a big surprise to the villagers. It also maintained that the 3 names who are not resident of Waka have also been added in beneficiary list. On the other hand, villagers have been struggling to get clean drinking water from a long time. They have been buying water while maintaining that even pipes have not been fixed in Waka village. Locals have demanded government to provide water connectivity by November 5th, while also warning for agitations in case of failure to fulfill their demands.
Jal Jeevan Mission Har Ghar Jal da government ki website ta Waka da koi yum janiga kunma pale rambe mashima ai han first chengok sage Waka da leba yum only marfumata 81 kaktani ani subada Waka da koi tradition condition torbe 69 le rambe koi ge haiba website sida mashima su yam china lala ba wafam amane Jal Jeevan Mission Har Ghar Jal na Waka da yum contract condition to bidumi bisingje kari nimita ising phangan bikidoi nising ado ising jam tun phangam biro dial khoi matam thajarege coming date 5 ke mongda hana tarbi bisingja ising phangan birot kai ma tarta tarkade akhoi ju mari leina ba mongda tarma phongjang changsit o natra ai sama khalba wakhalde ai tasena mak mane bharke prime minister honorable Narendra Modi babuda ai se thagen khale maramdi kai no da Narendra Modi na hai magi tha khudingi manki pata lauriba magi pauktung da pireba bharki phunggang lak ka ka da ising phangal haje se da phangal ibra ta kana ising ona phangal ibra bi wang hang ninge det 5 ke mongde ising thad bi u hai ba se ma ai villager site parcel amor sai parcel amor ina ai miage mafonda mai le basing da ai kokna request so ke na ta ke khoi makha ta ba khongchen section apoi ta mo ta ai sa mon hauraga siam sad na ai ready ta le jare
khoi ne hek lak podagi ne chahi tha mangara tar uradi khaga phangame ba adai phangakta ba je ai ijan pe hendi chahi kuntha te sure sibok si sing phangdana khoi je dum tha suro ba ba khoi sing thi ba ko chatle ba ada jing da man da lok ta kai da thi ba chala ga wana lele hausi sina kai dawge da water supply moina ising yon ba kangbu sidagi akhoi na ising je tha ma da ahum lak lok ba ani lak lok ba mari lak lok ba si laura ga pa chahum yang khai ji da moina lakninge la ye du su lakningdre akhoi to akhoi ne ising ji puna ye ba khoi ma se ising pu ba je khoi ma pung khang ti akhoi isinaw le mina ba je ising ji thakni ha ji leitra ba Sing Sanabum the Puge, and the Pugan, Punari, Koyatic to Leba, Akoi Atuba Matamda, Sing Pibiro, Koiwakagi, Sing Pibidragadi, Akoi Yamna, Makatana. Kakino, when the Obayaba Canada got Obayaba Taposito, the sea habit, Quay Kungzang, the sea habit, Quay, Nupimasen, Nupamasen, or Henry Bosit.
You mamma I now Pagaiga Puna lady by Kuibu, Ising Pangena, Gorman, the Gitoliana, Kanga Hagan, Hybrid Air, what was Ising Pangi, but it's a he couldn't get a Nipan, Supna, Yumparapumatam, the Waka, the Nasibok, the Tuti, Ising, have a Maricamata Taxadri, Ting Manu and Sangalagala had racing, Adu Adana, Sanabayana, Sandu Sanabida, no opposition, Wale, Sing Gulena, Bonagatra, Sing, one of Bonagatra.
Tumana Google that we have the Kujukamjade, Rangahan, we can not over the gifted house pange, Aduba Aina 2006, the Giluhonga, Itapakang Paragalak, Masibo teaching Tapapanjadri, Dugai Santazigi, or Angalati, Smising Pange, and High Baza, Kasing Nakana, Nasibo, the Nang Vigito, Wakanda, the Ising the Lay, the Yadam later season A for Poina, Duga Koyhan, hand permission, this is a name, Nasibo, the Toti pipe, Masa over Panjadri Hatara, exactly.
Justice Suryakant appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India. He will assume a charge on November 24th and will remain CJI for nearly 16 months until February 9, 2027. The notification of the appointment of Justice Suryakant was issued by the Department of Justice in the Union Law Ministry. According to a communique by the Press Information Bureau, Justice Suryakant was born on February 10, 1962 in the village Petwar, district Hisar, Haryana. Justice Suryakant earned his law degree from Maharishi Dayanand University, Rohtak in 1984. He then began his practice the same year at the district courts Hisar. In 1985, he shifted to the Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh, specializing in constitutional, service and civil matters. On July 7, 2000, he earned the distinction of being appointed the youngest Advocate General of Haryana and was also designated as a senior advocate. He served as the Advocate General until his elevation as a permanent judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court on January 9, 2004. He was appointed as the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court on October 5, 2018 and thereafter was elevated to the Supreme Court of India on May 24, 2019. Since May 14, 2025, he has been the Executive Chairman of NALSA and also serves on several committees of the Indian Law Institute. Incumbent CJI Bhushan R. Gavai is set to retire on November 23rd upon attaining the age of 65 years. Justice Gavai had earlier recommended Justice Kant as his successor following the established convention of appointing the senior most judge of the Supreme Court as the Chief Justice of India. Sports Authority of India SAI organized Fit India Freedom Run 6.0 as a part of National Unity Day observance today. The Fit India Run was flagged off from SAI Complex and transversed through Tera Bazaar, Wahangbam Lekai, Kangla Western Gate, Verit Kendrijit Flyover, Naurimthong, Tera Lokprakpam Lekai, before culminating again at SAI Complex. Imphal West SP Kethrimim Suvakanta, Deputy Director of SAI NERC, Laijing El Marine, Assistant Director of Khelo India, Laishram Samrita, Assistant Director of SAI NERC Imphal, Moirangthem Punyavati, Center in charge SAI SDC, Maibam Ramani Chanu, along with other officials attended the program. Speaking on the sidelines, Imphal West SP Kethrimum Sivakanta lauded Sports Authority of India for organizing the Freedom Run on the occasion of 158th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He also stressed on the importance of maintaining a society that is fit and healthy.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ki adugumba mapong numiti asigi pharmacy all over the country Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day hana suloina celebrate tawri haiban mechigi gasumari leinaba aduga Fit India ki adugumba movement aduga sumari leinaba ran nasida yawbi lebachin na punamakna sana phanabada hakchang phana amasung wakhal sengna koi punna leiminasi haiduna ai site ki appeal tawjari.
Thoubal District Police also organized a unity run in commemoration of 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, which is being celebrated as National Unity Day across India today. Thoubal SP Manoj Prabhakar flagged off the unity run from police headquarters Thoubal and culminated at Khongjom War Memorial Complex. A tree plantation program was also conducted at Khongjom War Memorial Complex. Speaking on the sideline, Thoubal SP Manoj Prabhakar highlighted the importance of organizing unity run in remembrance of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who had played pivotal role in uniting the nation. And now, before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Jiribam District Police also organized a unity run on the occasion of National Unity Day. A total of 94 runners took part in the unity run, which was flagged off by Jiribam SP Prabhakar Pandey and CO of 87 Battalion CRPF Tapan Kumar from 0 Point Jiribam to Rawat Statue. CH Kumar Singh of Chandam Lekai, Sonai Kasar bagged first position in 15-kilometer run, while Binoy Nambram and Mohammad Abdul Kalam bagged second and third spot respectively. Prizes was also distributed to winners of quiz competition. Huirem Rashita B and Yenkom Yaipabi Chanu of Cambridge English School, Jiribam bagged top spot. Khalida Begum and Rahena Begum of Lalpani High School, Jiribam came second, and pair of Langpok Lagpam Bidya Lakshmi and Khaidem Dhanraj of RK Sanatomi Devi Vidyalaya School bagged third spot in the quiz competition. Mera Yuva Bharat, Tamenglong, in association with District Administration, Tamenglong jointly organized a unity march commemorating 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is popularly known as Iron Man of India. The unity march began from Jadonang Park and ended at Apollo Ground. Tamenglong Deputy Commissioner Dr. Angshim Dangshava, Tamenglong SP Lanmio Luikam, Additional SP Joshia Pame, Tamenglong SDC Namthango Pame, ZEO Tamenglong L. Abonpo Christopher, along with other officials that took part in the unity march. Speaking on the sideline, DC Dr. Angshim Dangshava hailed Sardar Patel for his role in uniting India. "112th Battalion of CRPF, Kangpokpi District Police, Kangpokpi District Hospital and Allied Higher Secondary School, Kangpokpi jointly organized Unity Run in Kangpokpi District, marking 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Unity Run was kicked off from District SP office and culminated at the same place after making a turn from Kangpokpi Police Station. Commandant of 112th Battalion of CRPF, Ranjan Kumar Barua, Second in Command Mukesh Tatarwe, Kangpokpi SP Avinav, CMO Dr. Pokwai Kibgan, along with students and teachers of Allied Higher Secondary School took part in the Unity Run. The observance was marked by Unity Pledge and cleanliness drive in few selected areas of Kangpokpi District. Mayang Imphal Police Station also organized a unity run on the theme Run for Peace and Unity, marking 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The race was flagged off from Mayang Imphal police station and passed through Mayang Imphal Bengun Khong Ahanba before culminating at Mayang Imphal police station. Mayang Mayum Miraj of Suranjoy Boxing Academy, Uchiwa, bagged first position. Longmai Them Thoitoiba of Sarita Regional Boxing Academy, Mayang Imphal, came second, and Ngarimi of Sarita Regional Boxing Academy, Mayang Imphal, bagged third position in the race. Prizes were also presented to the winners of the race. Valedictory function for 3-day special campaign 5.0, which began on October 28, was held today at the General OPD complex of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal. The event was attended by RIMS Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor N. Sanjeev, and SAP SOB 2025-26 Karyakab RIMS Nodal Officer Professor Y. Govindaraj. During the program, certificates and cash awards were distributed to various RIMS departments, staff members, and winners of various competitions. Jury members of Special Campaign 5.0 Photography Contest 2025, Manipur Photography Club Imphal, and Free Flight Northeast Manipur members, and E-West, the Hidden Threat to Our Environment panelists and moderator, were also honored during the event.
As a medical institution, RIMS bears the additional duty of setting an example in hygiene and sanitation, not only for our patients and staff, but also for the community we serve. A clean environment is the first step towards disease prevention, better patient care, and overall healthier society. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation to the whole team of Swasthya Action Plan, all the department coordinators, every individual who contributed their time and efforts towards making this campaign a success. Your hard work has truly made a visible difference in our surrounding, in the campus and outside the campus. Today, as we conclude this campaign, we also celebrate the achievements of those who went above and beyond their duties to make RIMS a cleaner and a greener place.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju and Editors Guild Manipur AGM have strongly refuted a misleading social media video circulating on YouTube and Facebook, which alleged that the two media bodies had prevented publication of news related to a regional political party at the behest of an armed group. In a joint statement, Amju and EGM categorically denied the baseless and unfounded accusations, clarifying that neither organization had ever issued any instruction to restrict or censor news related to any political party or organization. The bodies recalled that the joint resolution adopted on September 25th had urged all members and media houses to uphold press freedom and act without fear or favor. The meeting had also reminded editors and journalists of Clause 16 of the Local Code of Conduct, which explicitly states that editors shall not entertain any diktat from any quarter to publish or not to publish any news, report or press release. Expressing deep concern, Amju and EGM said the misleading video shot to tarnish the image and integrity of the journalist fraternity and undermine public trust in media institutions. They urged the concerned content creator to issue a clarification and remove or correct the misleading statements immediately. The two media bodies also appealed to the public and media consumers to verify facts but from authentic sources and not to be misled by substantiated online content. Naga People's Organization Senapati has condemned the public nuisance created by few miscreants during the visit of NSC and IM leader T.H. Muiva in Senapati. In the press note, NPO alleged that some miscreants drove their vehicles at excessive speed while shouting provocative slogans such as "We demand Kukilen" and "We want Kukilen." They also reportedly damaged posters of Auto Councillor Muiva that were displayed in the village. NPO also accused the miscreants of detonating the firecrackers. NPO further demanded responsible leaders of concerned community to take immediate and decisive action to identify and apprehend all individuals involved in these incidents. Dialysis patients and their families are reportedly facing various inconveniences due to non-clearance and dues for CMHT and PMJY to private hospitals. Members of All Manipur Dialysis Patients Association today attempted to meet Manipur Governor to apprise about the prevailing issue concerning pending dues for CMHT and PMJY. However, the team was stopped by police personnel before they could reach Governor's residence. Speaking on the sideline, President of All Manipur Dialysis Patients Association, Longmai Nimai said, private hospitals have stopped accepting concessions and financial assistance under CMHT and PMJY due to non-payment of dues, and this has caused huge burden to patients, especially to kidney patients who are undergoing dialysis at the moment. He further urged Governor and relevant authority to look into the matter and to address the issue at the earliest.
Asi akoida sinjariba rally asi anaba sona mayamam puragan samarsa chaliba si akoi yam pamna tawgunate koi hana so sangsing mai rena sing manakong jona ba koi jam na sit-in protest taw he press mit tawgna koi maman ba yare hana governor unana ba mai rena ba nadel fashion unana ba koi hajare agreement pi da ba pangmalakta ba dagi tabe mersis matung dagi di paisa kes payment da dialysis tawrani hai ba dagi chigi deadline naksalak ba dagi koi su pai le ta da si musas marak sida asol nam yan su tawa koi ngasi release sinja bani.
The Joint Leadership of Civil Society Organization of Longmai area has strongly condemned the alleged house raid conducted by unidentified armed men in full combat fatigue at the private residence in Longmai Noni Bazaar during the intervening night of October 30th and November 1st. In a joint press statement issued after an emergency meeting held on October 31st at Longmai Bazaar Board Office, the CSOs described the incident as a highly provocative act and crime against humanity. The statement said such irresponsible actions within civilians' areas could jeopardize peace and security in the region. The CSOs reminded all armed groups operating in the area to refrain from such activities in the future and urged the public to remain vigilant and cooperative in maintaining peace. It further stated that, as per Naga customary laws and traditions, no individual or group in power or authority is above the law, and any act amounting to crime will be dealt with accordingly. Two-day-long seminar on travel entrepreneurship affairs of travel youth come a buyer and seller meet concluded at Hotel Imphal today. The seminar was organized by Travel Resource Development Center (TRDC) under the sponsorship of Ministry of Donor, NEC, Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Additional Director General Police ADGP IK Moiva, Managing Director of Likla Joy Kumar Thangjam, Director of TA and Hills Lakishan Ngamsa Kashung, Chairman of TRDC Ngaidungam Ningshan, and Lead District Manager of SBI Chandal and Kakching A. Atilias graced the closing day function as main guests and resource persons. KT Saun of Jeria Foods Senapati and Layami Ningshan of Lan Artsy bagged Best Stall Awards. A total of 15 stalls participated in the seminar and displayed their wide range products, which include organic food products and other indigenous products. Speaking in the program, ADGP IK Moiva stressed on the importance of promoting local travel products and travel entrepreneurships.
Tribals, they need skill acquisition. So that's why there's a lot of skilling kind of programs that has been launched by the government of India for the tribals. Of course, these are the initial beginnings. We are seeing a lot of food processed products, which are properly processed and packaged and presented in a marketed in a very attractive way. So these are the emerging stage that we are also emerging as a producer, as a manufacturer of some products. So this is the path that we have to start going on. We have to go forward on this line.
5-day training program for capacity building on integrated fish farming for livelihood generation concluded at Oinam Awang Community Hall in Bishnupur district today. The training program was jointly organized by ICAR Central Institute of Coal, Water, Fisheries and Research, Nainital, Uttarakhand, and Department of Fisheries, Bishnupur District Milk Cooperative Limited. Senior scientists of ICAR Central Institute of Coal, Water, Fisheries Research, Bhimtal, Nainital, Uttarakhand, Suresh Chandra, Secretary of Southern Fish Marketing and Processing Federation Limited, O. Moirang Ningthau, Legal Advisor Laithonjam Brojan, Chairman of Bishnupur District Milk Cooperative Limited, Longmai Debananda, attended the program. Speaking on the sidelines, senior scientist Suresh Chandra expressed confidence that trainees who attended the training program can successfully increase their fish production through proper implementation of scientific knowledge. Now the sports news. MP Dr. Ngomcha Bimola Koijam felicitated 6 young footballers from Manipur who were part of India's winning squad at the SAF Under-17 Women's Championship. The 6 players, including Joishani Huidrom, Longjam Nirachanu, Tampasana Kongjengbam, Sarangthem Elina, Tanya Taunambam and Julan Nongmaitem, were honored for their remarkable performance, discipline and contribution to India's success in the regional tournament. During the felicitation program, MP Bimol expressed immense pride in the players' achievement and urged them to continue working hard as they prepared for the upcoming AFC Under-17 Women's Asian Cup 2026. He said their dedication and perseverance have brought honor to Manipur and will serve as an inspiration for the youth of the state to pursue excellence in sports. The event was organized by the Office of Member of Parliament in Manipur, Dr. Ngomcha Bimol Akoija. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Centre Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 30.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 93% in the morning and 68% in the evening today. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Tension flare in Leitan Pokpi Lokchau Lokon area after locals objected to construction of a road leading from Gampijang to Purum Kom village by Wakan Maibung Kuki locals. To boycott Sangai festival unless internally displaced persons return to their original homes, asserts Kokomi co-convener Yongkhaibam Surjit Kumar. Manipur joins nation in celebrating a National Unity Day in connection with birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba Leshemba appeals to all to refrain from remarks that may create unnecessary division among the people. CLP leader Okamibobi slams BJP, alleging talking lies and fooling people has become a trademark of BJP. Waka villages protest against listing as potable water connected for Khetrigaon constituency on the official website of Jal Jeevan Mission. And Justice Surya Kant, appointed as 53rd Chief Justice of India, will take charge on November 24th. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, good night.